Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy color. To begin, gather your granulated sugar and your chosen food coloring. For best results, use a fine-grained sugar. You will need about 1 cup of sugar per batch. Ensure your food coloring is fresh and vibrant. We will explore various types of coloring and their application methods. When selecting your food coloring, consider the type. Gel colors are highly concentrated, meaning you need only a tiny amount for vivid results. Liquid colors are readily available and mix well, while powdered colors offer a very intense, dry pigment. For those seeking natural alternatives, many brands now offer plant-based colorings that work beautifully. Now, let's color the sugar. For every 1 cup of granulated sugar, add about 2 to 3 drops of liquid food coloring. If using gel, a small dab on a toothpick is usually sufficient. Stir the mixture vigorously for several minutes until the color is completely uniform throughout the sugar. This ensures an even and beautiful cotton candy. To achieve the most vibrant results, remember a few key tips. Too much liquid coloring can make your sugar clumpy, so start small. For delicate pastel shades, use just 1 or 2 drops. If you desire deep, rich colors, gel or powdered food colorings are your best bet. Always store your beautifully colored sugar in an airtight container until you are ready to spin it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.